Okay, this is midterm review for course 207. So we have covered 2 modules, 10 lessons. Now it's time to review so that you get ready for the midterm examination. So the first topic we covered is recursion and backtracking. Backtracking is one technique for chasing game applications or puzzle game applications too. Backtracking is used as one of the failure-based cases for recursion. So it is complementary to recursion. We also use recursion to solve a set of problems. For example, implementing language recognizer methods. We use recursion to convert the infix to prefix. We use recursion to write a method to evaluate prefix notation. In chapter 8, we talk about abstract class, interface, and class relationships. Abstract class is different from interface from many aspects. And class relationship has 2 types. One we call generalization. We use either to identify if 2 classes have generalization relationship or not. The second relationship of classes is called association. We use has to identify. For example, faculty is a person. So faculty is a subclass of person class. And faculty has address. So faculty has address. So faculty class and address class have association relationship. And then we'll talk about our first nonlinear abstract data type, binary tree. We introduce a set of concepts or terminologies such as complete tree, full binary tree, proper binary tree, the height of tree, so on. We also use reference to implement our abstract data type binary tree. We also talk about expression tree, which is an example of binary tree. The next topic we covered is binary search tree abstract data type. Binary search tree is special binary tree. The data are kind of sorted. And we'll talk about the detailed implementation of binary search tree. Of course, array based is less desirable than reference based. So we use linked list or call reference to implement our binary search tree. We concentrate more on those operations like insertion, deletion, traversal, and searching operations. We have also discussed the time complexity for each of those operations. Since the data in the binary search tree are kind of sorted, so we could use binary search tree to sort a set of data stored in the array. First, we insert data item one by one in the array into an initially empty binary search tree. And then we just perform in-order traversal. And then the data are sorted. So we also discuss how to store the data in the binary search tree into a file, and how to restore the data from file back to the memory as original binary search tree, or as balanced binary search tree. Let's talk about the format of midterm examination. The midterm is composed of 3 parts. Part 1, multiple choice questions. There will be 20 to 30 questions, which are similar to the questions in the online quiz. Part 2 is short answer questions. For example, what are the differences between abstract class and interface? Or I could give you a set of data in an array. You are asked to build a binary search tree by inserting one item at a time. Part 3 will be programming problems. For programming problems, there will be 3 or 4 smaller questions. Total is about 30 to 35%. The part 1 is about 20 to 30%. So the part 2 is about 30 to 40%. Good luck with your midterm examination. Thank you.